traffic congestion system is explained in terms of design thinking based approach by Virani, Abhinaya and Aarti, Anushya and Gopika. So you all know that what is the design thinking based approach. It is that one in the 5 stages of approach. So the DT based approach is very useful for today's application development because before going to define our problem, we have to empathize that what is the need of that problem in the terms of user point of view. So in the design thinking approach, we have the 5 stages like empathy, define and ideate and prototype and testing. So now that could be explained by our students. So what is the problem statement of today's?
So let me explain the problem statement and the empathy part of this. So the problem statement is people facing traffic issues which will lead to many problems. So let me explain the empathy part. So first we have to deeply understand what are the people who are facing issues due to traffic. So first of all let me explain who are the users. So users is college students, school students and emergency cab drivers and more people who are using road day to day. And what are the problems they face is daily traffic starting due to over traffic and 20 to 40 minutes traffic which will increase the stress of the people and also delays the emergency time. And students who are late for schools and college they may cause the mental pressure. So these are the problems faced by people's day to day. So to overcome this we came up with a solution using machine learning pipeline methods. So which will control the traffic congestion and increase people's traffic very efficiently.
I will explain the define stage. We clearly identify the problem. So we set the key objectives in our problem statement. So first reduce waiting time at signal and improve emergency response times. Then reduce pollution and fuel wastage and optimize traffic flow during peak hours. We set focus two main points in this our problem statement. Predict traffic congestions before it becomes suffer, and then provide smart route suggestion to drivers.
How you are going to implement that?
Okay, I am going to explain the machine learning pipeline. First stage is data collection. We collect the data as multiple sources like GPS sensor, vehicle count, and vehicle speed, road capacity, and width. So there would be messy and noisy data. So it's not given the accuracy output and predictions. So we need to data pre-processing. Data pre-processing it helps to improving accuracy and correct predictions. So it helps to cleaning the data. We collect the multiple sources, so different format. So data pre-processing is converted into same format all the data. So next feature selection. Feature selection is analyze new pattern data. It's like a rush indicator, driving impact indicator. So it helps to highest time. It helps to change the signal of the road. Then model selection. Model selection. The traffic intelligence system. We are selecting 3 models like decision tree, random forest, and neural network. Decision tree it's supervised learning. It's branches and route node. Branches is traffic system, and route node is vehicle speed, rush time, high rush, low rush. That's all. Then random forest is multiple decision trees and random forest. Random forest is more accurate and correct predictions compared to decision tree. Then neural network. Neural network is instead of human. It helps to analyze the more accurate output. Then we are training and testing the model. We are split this 70% of the training data and 30% of test data. The test data would be seeing the data. Then go to a video.
In the ideal state,
Multiple methods to implement. So what are the methods to implement? What is the idea? So what is the how do you going to implement the traffic congestion? How you can implement particular traffic congestion?
use algorithms like classification, regression.
So already we have the set of data about so what are the traffic traffics in the particular area. So that could be collected by that particular camera. That is our input. So based upon the input and next thing we have to analyze that what time that particular traffic is more traffic is congested.
We collect the data as high rush time is 8:40 to 10:40, then evening time 4:40 to 8:10. The data will be collected. At the time, the traffic system automatically change the road.
Okay, how that would be, the traffic would be redirected?
Set to GPS sensor and CCTV camera. Analyze the CCTV camera input and the GPS sensor input. Then we are predict the model is predicted automatically and red signals.
I'm going to tell about deployment and evaluation. In the evaluation, the successfully machine learning trained for traffic predictions. After that, the important step is evaluation and deployment and measuring for real world impact. In the evaluation, there are 4 steps: accuracy, precision, recall, and F1 score. In the accuracy, it will shows overall the performance of the traffic predictions. And accuracy, it will shows the only positive predictions. And recall, it will shows the how detect the real positive performance. And F1 score, there is a balance both false positive and false negative. And the deployment, in the deployment, it will how will develop our project. In this, they will collect the informations of the traffic signal and mobile navigation app. Through this, there is a red signal, it will have a heavy congestion, and yellow signal is it is moderate, and green signal is it is very low to clear the traffic. In the testing stage, it will before it will implemented, it will suggest for a selected junction to implement the process one.
So what is the benefit of implementing in terms of design thinking based approach in the traffic congestion system?
So it will reduce wastage of time to people, and it will helps to, there's no need for stucking in traffic and wasting time for college students, school students, and it will also increase, it will reduce the wastage of fuel, and it will also reduce the pollution. So using machine learning pipeline method, we can control the traffic.